Your MDX Type S features a battery that's housed in the cargo area. This requires different battery access and jump-starting procedures than you may be used to. On the left-hand side of the cargo area, you will see a small closed compartment with two knobs. To access the battery, turn the knobs and unlock the battery case cover. The battery is now exposed. Note that the tire repair kit is also stored in the cargo area under the cargo floor lid on this model. To access the tire repair kit, pull up the cargo floor lid and turn the knobs to remove the tool case cover. Although the battery is in the trunk, provisions have been made in the engine compartment for safe and easy jump starting should the battery discharge. Before hooking up jumper cables, make sure that electrical devices, such as the audio system or lights, have been turned off. Also make sure the ignition is in the off position. In the engine compartment, open the cover of the jump start box. Connect the positive jumper cable, typically colored red, to the positive terminal under the jump start box. Do not connect the cable to any other part, and make sure you have good metal-to-metal contact. This applies to all cable connections. Connect the other end of the cable to the booster vehicle's positive battery terminal. Carefully connect the negative jumper cable, usually colored black, to the booster vehicle's negative battery terminal. Connect the remaining negative cable connector to the terminal labeled GND for ground on the far right side of the MDX Type S's engine compartment. Do not connect this cable to any other part. Next, ensure the booster vehicle's engine is on. Before starting your MDX Type S, it helps to slightly increase the RPM of the booster vehicle. Now attempt to start the engine. Once the engine has started, remove the jumper cables in the following order. It is important to know that the jump start box in your MDX Type S's engine compartment cannot be used to jumpstart other vehicles. It also should not be used to charge your MDX Type S's battery other than to jumpstart. You can, however, jumpstart another vehicle by connecting the cables directly to the battery terminals within the trunk compartment. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's procedures for the vehicle you are jumpstarting. See your owner's manual for full details and safety precautions for jumpstarting your MDX Type S.